Why affiliate marketing works. Some believe that the world is a dull place merely for the reason that they do not find there being appealing enough to make them feel satisfied. Others would even want that they have more than they already acquire. There are also those people who are exhausted of working hard and still end up having nothing. Some would even curse the dull existence of having jobs that do not provide them personal and qualified growth. Still, they are the ones who want to gain money with the need of sweating a lot. These are some of the significant reasons why people are giving into affiliate marketing. This is one of the profitable methods that are considered as an outcome of the recognition of the Internet has been producing since it came into existence. Since the Internet is one of the medium with which to view the world and relate with people without reaching up from one's chair, it has also become one of the most significant means with which to sell a businessperson's products and services. This is the primary reason why affiliate marketing succeeds as an outcome of the Internet's fame. The products and services, which the Internet world acquires, the needed introduction, required to trade as well. This is where the truth that affiliate marketing is a profitable business started. In affiliate marketing, what is planned to be sold is sold for the reason that the Internet is an excellent venue to sell all of the products and services without the need for the businessperson to provide too much time and hard work to sell their wares. How does affiliate marketing produce money? The manner affiliate marketing functions is so easy a person wouldn't have a hard time thinking how such plan is capable to produce money. In affiliate marketing, a person is initiated to a scheme or an affiliate, the one who holds the site, deals to present and promote other sites that fit in sequence to a businessperson. The businessperson is the one who expects to produce sales via the affiliate's endorsement of his sites. Other people click one of these links on, and when purchase is completed, the businessperson compensates the affiliate with the agreed commission. It is by merely endorsing sites via his own that an affiliate is capable to make money for him in the simplest way possible. The standards included in affiliate marketing can be evaluated to the kind of group communication in ecology called mutualism, where communication between two types of persons permits both of them to get advantage from the circumstance without making any harm to each other. The outcome is a connection that lets them to coexist in agreement in the society where they both go. On the other hand, affiliate marketing permits affiliates to be paid in acknowledgement of what they can contribute to the procedures. Business executives, in return, are capable to promote their products and in the end sell their products and services via the hard work given by the affiliate. The main reason why products are promoted is that the number of individuals using the Internet is increasing each minute that passes. Each product being promoted via this means takes all the interest that is probably needed to be able to encourage someone. This is the vital reason, actually, why affiliate marketing is consistently working. The more links a site endorses, more potential sales will be produced. The more sales produced, the businessperson will be more contented, and the good thing is that affiliates and the affiliated both profit competently and financially. Those who have engaged into affiliate marketing have eventually attained their goals and objectives, which they were not able to comprehend under normal situations. In addition, some have reached the top merely because they are determined in all their effort and time to improving their skills about this business without hesitating. A person can also be sure of the truth that there is really money in affiliate marketing. He only has to deal with the reality that it is unrealistic to produce wealth in this business in a short time span. With a little ingenuity and hard work, affiliate marketing can be the answer to all your financial problems.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.